Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. This is video number 6 about HCF and LCM of numbers with different type of problems in the short trick method. This video is most useful for all type of competitive exams like bank POs, clerks, RRB, NTPC, LIC AOs, state level group 1, group 2 and sub-inspector of police, etc. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end. That will helpful for you. If you need of interesting such videos, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 216 and their HCF is 27. Then the numbers are option A 54, 162, B 108, 118, C 27, 189, D none. So here HCF is given. So HCF of the two numbers is 27 is given. So let the numbers equal. So we are taking the numbers, that is 27A, 27B we can take. 27A, 27B. Now the sum of two numbers is 216. These two numbers sum we are getting 216. Sum equal 216. Means 27A plus 27B equal 216. Here you can take 27 as common. A plus B equal 216. So 27, 2 you can cancel. So 3 table time cancelling. 3 9s are, 3 7s are, 3 2s are, 9 1s are, 9 8s are. So A plus B equal to 8 we got it. A plus B equal to 8. So the values of coprimes of the sum of 8 equal. So 8 how we have to get? 1 plus 7 equal 8 and 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4. Again repeating. So here this 1 and 7, this both are coprimes. 2 and 6 means it is not the coprimes, we can cancel. 4 and 4, it is also not the coprimes, we can cancel. Now the numbers here A equal to and B equal substitute. A we are substituting means 27 into 1 and 27 into 7. So 27 1s are 27, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 18. So here this 3 and 5 we are substituting means we can get 27 into 3 and 27 into 5. So 21, this is 81, 27 3s are 81 and 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 2 5s are 10 plus 3, that is 13. So here once you have to check the options. So which option is correct? 27 and 89, 189 or 81 or 135. So here we have 27 and 189 we have, means that option C is correct. Next, question number 2. The HCF of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 12. Then the numbers are options A 66, 78, B 70, 82, C 94, 106, D 84, 96. So here given HCF is given. So HCF we have to take HCF equal 12. So the HCF of two numbers is 12, means let the numbers equal. We can take 12A, 12B we can take. And the difference of their numbers is 12. Difference equal 12 is given, means 12a minus 12b equal 12. Here you can take 12 as a common. A minus b equal to 12. So 12 on the 12 on the. So a minus b equal to 1. So the values of co-primes of the difference one is, so we can take 1 comma 2, we can take 2 minus 1, we are getting 1, 2 comma 3 we can take, and 3 comma 4 we can take, 4 comma 5 we can take, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 7 comma 8, 8 comma 9, like that we can take. So which is, it is correct one, you have to take it. So here you can substitute, we are, which option is correct, we are getting that one you have to see. 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 12, that is 24. So it is not in option. 2 into 12, 24, and that is 36. 3 into 12, that is 36. 4 into 12, 48. And this one, 48, comma 60. 60, comma 12, 12 6 are 72. Next, 72, comma 84. 84, comma 96. Like that. So once you have checked the options, so we can check the options 84 and 96. 84 and 96 means 7 comma 8. So 84 and 96 means option D is correct. So option D is correct. Next, question number 3. The product of two numbers is 6760 and their HCF is 13. How many such pairs can be formed? Here we need to find the pairs we need to find. So HCF is given. So HCF equal to 13. Let the numbers equal. So 13a comma 13b. Again here it is given the clue. Product of two numbers. Product equal 6760. So product means these two numbers product only. 13a into 13b equals 6760. 13 table 2 you can cancel. 13 5s are 65. 13 2s are 0. 13 4s are 0. So a into b equal 40, we got it. The values of co-primes of the product 40 is, so 40 means 1 into 40 we can take, and 2 into 20 we can take, 4 into 10 we can take, 5 into 8 we can take, and 10 into 40 like that. So here 1 and 40 we can take, we can get the co-prime, means it is okay. 2 and 20 HCF we are getting 2 we can get. So 4 and 10 we are getting, not getting, it is not a co-prime. And 5 and 8, so 5 and 8 we can get the HCF is 1. So once you have to check it if you want. 5 on the 5, 3, here this 5 we can take here, 3 on the 3, here we need to take 2, and this 3, 2 on the 1, 2. So we are getting the HCF. When we are getting the HCF is 1 means that is the co-prime numbers. Only 5 and 8 have the only 1 as a common factor. That numbers are co-prime numbers. So how many pairs we got it here? 1 comma 40. Second one is 5 comma 8. Means 2 pairs only we got it. That is A. Option A is correct. Next, question number 4. The least perfect square number which is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So least perfect square number to this all are exactly divisible one we need to find. So that number, which one we are getting, that number you have to see. So the LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. LCM I am taking. So 3 table 2, 3 ones are 4 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 twos are 8 as it is. Now 2 table 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 as it is, 2 ones are 2 fours are. Again 2 table 2, 5 as it is, 2 twos are. Now LCM equal. So here you can take the pairs you have to take. So this both we can take pair. For otherwise you can take the LCM. LCM equal 10, 20, 40, 120. Now we can take the pairs. 2 into 2 we can it is having. So this both are it is having. And without pair 1, 3 into 5 into 2. So again without pair 1 you can multiply with itself. Means 2 into 2 as it is, 2 into 2 only, into this 3, one more 3 2 you can multiply, 3 into 3. Perfect number we need to choose. And 5 into 5. And 2 into 2. This is 5 5s are 25. 25. This is 2 2s are 4. 25 into 4, 100. 100 9s are 900. 900 4s are 3600. 3600. 3600 is divisible by this all numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next, question number 5. The ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their HCF is 4. Then their LCM is. The numbers LCM we need to find. HCF is given and ratio of two numbers is given. So HCF equal 4 is given. Let the numbers I am taking as 4A and 4B I am taking. So ratio also given. Ratio of two numbers is 3:4. Means this ratio you have to take. 4A is to 4B equal 3:4. Now this ratio is nothing but the fraction. 4A by 4B equal 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled. A is to B equal 3:4. So 3:4 means here we need to A value is 3, B value is 4. Multiply the numbers equal 4 into 3, 4 into 4. So 4 3s are 12 and 16. 4 4s are 16. Now you can take the LCM. So we need to find the LCM. 2 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So we are getting the LCM is 48 we are getting. 48 means this option D is correct. When you will practice more and more, you can get the concepts easily. I hope you are enjoyed this session and this session is very helpful for you. Don't forget like and comment. We will meet in the next video with a different concept. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.